Eh? Wetin happen? Eh? They say una nearly die. Una enemy nearly die. Wetin happen? They come they use stretcher till they stretch the one where they stretch. Some they say some men can't become woman. But I mean winere. Iyama make sense. Abu yama make it €2. Oh salobwa. Inema. Inigo ya de make copy. Umare ya make it €2. We no re before man go turn to woman. Do you know work where they there costume? Now the old day ite douan. Awe kake €2 we no gbe sama me no fine. Awe sona wa hivie me, vie monkey ya we was a talo we gaga we na je na go vie monkey picking where they jump from one tree to another. They say since 1 week now that they wait make they turn to human being, they still they look like monkey cause see mami owe. As they do the video, they carry and enter YouTube everywhere. They say the video now orange YouTube give them. Enyama ya make you. Yes, salobo ne. Oh, come. Eh? They say some people turn to prophetess or bamba. I felt dreamer. I felt singer. I felt professor. I want to name me. I go continue to the talker. Eh, man, na this social media we did that the way we hear say na so papa ye koriomo come beat mama ye koriomo. Papa ye koriomo come beat mama uronigbe. They're not dreamer. They're not singer. They're not singer. Wala wo my beni people. Wagia dege minori mak me way. First of all, dream about your own house before you can dream about other people. Because in social media naga mama be. Me read you wow. Nice so the me why in social media namu. Ya mami read you wow. I may have your motto. And so I go talk that one reach for there. Mona suffer you. I not do bad thing you. Na friendship na spoil. Me come dey ask. Boy, me and we man we. Mana we friendship ma mo ari e ki mana ya de ni kon ya. Friendship or ya. Wo na one before before na go die. I say me I can't tell you now. We not carry the friendship to borrow money for bank oh. We use and borrow money for una hand. Oh come. What we get go zeba. Friendship or yeah. 10 years wagwima water here. Many of una dey Europe since many of una dey Europe more than 20 years. Una eye never open. Now friendship for 10 years una want die put. Una not die put. No a friendship 10 years ago. God you make up lao. Agugwa wana asan yo sanre wana je na rivie monkey ivie me e mone me bie lao o ma ken ya pakun o ma ken ya we soso ba me a friendship ere many of una single mothers we una papa we una husband we una be born for you don't finish who beat una. If na better thing na they beat us put na I go the year. Na not beat us put for better thing. Na just friendship spoil na. And go. No one come out away say this their friendship. They can't use and they borrow me. They can't use and borrow shoe from me. They use and borrow cloth from me. You know they. Don't do. So now one do caricature. Where who friend help? Thank you, my sister. Who friend help? Friend help then na so where I me say. Now to don all of una do the cry say I me say mama ya. Wa de ya. Wa ya fe social media. Now here for this social media now every day. They fight. Nobody die put. They not be even reach 10 years. They not manage. Now here we dey. Who? The one wey be Ogwalidi. Ni awo Ogwalidi lele hotel do ya here. Now here we dey with the bestie early morning calling. Now here we dey until tomorrow they still dey fight they go. They never even say rich also. And all of us on Facebook we foresee each other. Like, it don't do. It don't do for them. Shall be the Lord say. What you see on social media and on social media, it don't do. Not to say, oh, the old friend what still they do now. Nah, this now this social media goes still in. Now yeah, we the way oh yeah me. Carry this one, the friend, on yano oni sawa. Carry the other one, on yano wewa. Amami no buwa. Hello, my lady. Eh? I did live video. Good evening. I did live video. For Facebook. I don't do live video since. What happened? Okay, later I'll call you. I must call you when I finish. Yes. I'll call you. Thank you, my darling, my namesake, for fake account. I love it. I know say you be fake account. Hello? Okay. Now here we dey. Now the same papa and the same mama pikin for social media they fight. Nobody do the anything. We use our friendship to borrow na money avivie monkey. We use our friendship to borrow money to buy ticket go Africa as some people they do am. Oh, what we are seke. Why you cover? Why till you cover up? When you gallant, if you mess, now so your mess go gallant. You understand? What is that now? Me I got the want that. Me I so genai. Every maka you go why register your friendship here. Imatamu wa we go wa ma ya register you. Ama we who register me your friendship you know. We kun or emegino. When no remena where a friendship before I tell no he when we ya say we but where to keep us le 5 years. When no what mo severe no mufwa, wa mo severe no mufwa. Ni ma yare social media na ma onu biya ne me so emu. We know how many men some women don't carry as boyfriend. Every year that they change and they carry another one. Nobody don't beat una. Nobody don't cry. If they beat una just wanna say, na my team. What it could be your own inside my own friendship. I say my 10 years friendship, I don't throw away. I use until buy shoe for your hand where I not pay. I use until buy ticket for your hand. I use until borrow cloth for your hand. Not be here with day, Sister Feli and Sister Jessie. Not be for this social media. Lareo. Monica Zu Ozumweva. What take time oh. Not be here with day. Agameya one the pa. They color each other that day. Hello, bro. Bro, you listen to me. Not be here with day. Ari mama ya. What matana? Mona they touch true. I know they like that kind of thing. Lare when ane okpokpite Vivian no mama. Vivian wa we regarder. Mami nwe wa nyenye gbeji ni usenoru egbe o we ga nyenye gbeji o wo pa magbakin. E kenimenari o ye kenimeri o weji Vivian. O pewe. We no me de a green card America ma we passport in oro. Jesus Christ, Vivian walk power money you Vivian oh. You no know say for this social media that they use that they know they suffer where who they pretend. You say they know they listen, they not feel listen to you because if we they look you image where na get puff no ma gabo na ve jebo na ve ta America illegal. Vivian we me illegal na over America akpebo. O mai. We Vivian. Iwere Nigeria, me seti e de wa gbonjiyan ekundedemede numuya pisho numuye social media mana miegu wana na miegu nene de fake life mi ati du se wa gbon agbowa imasi ju wa gbo iji masi yo me gbe gene iji masi yo me gbe menahin imasi jiyan gbe meme de si jiyan gbe meme ni wa soba useno gire vivien gbe no te mule kege ni adona so vivien ekwe mu we ose we wi ebo wa yeko una so aso yo egbe ose ne gian we be hin ose ne gian gbogo we yegbe ose ne gian o gbogo we yegbe hello sis wetin cause problem between you and your friend when you still see for social media not be social media you for see abo tu la sene pa kon ogiyan wi agbeyan yen togiyan. Not be for social media you for see that friend wait till you say I dey build that for Lagos now he make you come out o he not dey build that so he deliver you like your Irish unugo abo say that na yetsuma ose ni meti wogiyan nu yara America unwe na bobie unwe na bakota unwe na bobie awo wetu unwe na ne obie Jamaica mete we mo oge no dem oge wa mi okono siri ni ogbeye mo ge e mo bi we adeta una mo na look we unwe wuse no ro igbe oso jina I don't see my mate no my dear I no be your mate I cannot be your mate ogwe wa yere we may me buwe we may vi we rogo mere mana ne weke ya vivi were ogi me megije graduation ija e social media ave tawe ne e money je school ni age je school e social media tawe ne moyen ve nwa Vivian go make just 3 years see ije graduation just 3 years remaining my children start to they graduate I go they go as I still be so so I go be mama nyongi. Take your time there. Well, where if I dey tell now, they know they hear me. Now, what do you think? Say social media viewers be? Say there be a man muloko. Say there be when no meti they go man over respect was say. Meti go was say here no yere ve flash. Ote boa ute wu. Uwe mi na si wo vudu uwe ri evi sinya vudu o sinya vudu kosumeyo uya heme abeg in social media shine body it dey pain una go and work hard my darling and before you dey work hard dey challenge person for social media make sure say na the same level una dey o because some people get mama where they sick some people not get mama again. Some people get papa where they sick. Some people don't get again. Some people get children for Africa. Some people now let them they take care of children. You na don't hear and now say we na double willow. Oh God no. So la go Vivian. Okay ye beta vene afia manofie gwe ya afia gboa. O make sure we no go meje area weje o ogo me be no moses for ya package o ye boy e run correct one ya use there adi ebe do no afiama no fin gwi do afia we because ima devil se no ro egbe bi je me wo le chicken we there e chicken maga oh my God e chicken so the chicken when you cook you open totori for ground or you pour. You don't even fit cover totori of chicken because you don't want oven. Now smoke, you take smoke the chicken. If you want oven, they will give you and your Jamaica husband B. Hello, good evening, my lady.
Hello, good evening. Lamo is speaking.
Hello. Okay. Imagine. Okay. That is the worry that one. Ogworo. Vivian, la wo. Ami egedo na ya mwe lap. Tu mami you endeavor o America. Send me I buy for you. That your lap, I don't like her. I don't like her. Which kind lap be that one? Gwara. Now one time they know gwara women. Jesus Christ, Vivian. Gwara. If you want that video. Gwara. Iya, wasu nuna. Umami no tamawe. Weta jegedo. Boyebe ni akwimi. Wasu nu. Uwa America go do agwale. Uwa gwara ne Europe. If ya duro hyanga mu. Uwa ga mu emawe uwe WhatsApp. Because a Europe men na ijena. Iye mo bobe ki America. Yage bush lion type. But with America. He can't have my leg. He can't put rubber penis. He can't put rubber. If they advertise rubber, they go they cry for us. Me when a rubber they do the for his ass. Vivi. With a bemo lapi when he la bien. Mo se do mame no tama when gume tama we. Ya jegedo yo. A jegedo yo. A mek bene gwara. Do make be mommy money kana. Be no fitted. Ne pakan. Na package. Vivian, when you set package. This so we are when we pack ugba we ekwe. When we genia, rubber no muyon. We package you baba yan we package na here na dem ma ye. Vivian, change. Agwara di when we agwara. Awa we nahi. We nahi. Bob Obama Sena. You have a live video, they walk. Usun wana ni waya they walk ya go that one with 2 hours. They walk. I wait 2 hours wow. No gya ni gele wa we hours ni ruwe. Iye no yatale tata toto. Here salobane. I was a tigwa we 2 hours irene. You go come carry ticket, they look for food, they go for America. Now ticket, they say that they give them, they go, they carry food. You don't get picky where they train for them. If you can't get 3 children like me, you call. Now Fuso Bank, now you go come, they offload food for your ass. Vivian, go package where you're packaging. That's why they know they look you. Yeah, damn it, yeah, damn your web because mama mwere boto. Ama go when or America wa gun en yo baby run of egba, edo egba, ebo egba, a pidgin gba, correct English gba. Obi jama na ve eve so ma job wa yan gi jeme yan na dojo. O si e na ke gun. Me diploma. Vivian, jog America. Bejo. Ama job wa bejo be ma. You not go for there, you not go for here. It not good though. Then they make you do awarawa. Which kind of thing be that? Your body go just from neck, they shake, go reach lap. For waiting. You can't they look for Benin men, we want carry that one. What's soon? What did they eat? Now inside body that they see, and not before. Abara. I give a wave temo seva. When I have we have it do go. Yeah. Vivian, we are me no gay. O me no gay. Winnie, yari certificate go for the first time. When you take do video, you can see who look you. They can't put like put. If you not really say make una look people we carry the thing like make it for it. Now those ones where life they hard where things they hard them. You give me a okpodongo, you give me a gwega. You know. Hello. Real live video. A Facebook, new Facebook, me.
Okay, ma. We'll watch it later.
Jesus Christ. So, my people. Now so it be the rest people. I bet for now one play the demo and remember. I don't use friendship to borrow money for bank. Now me invest for friendship. Now me throw in. I not take you time. And before you go, just carry the matter like say, oh, umagbe, show me your own friend where you feel keep for 6 months. Show me. One that day, monkey, now because of 50 euro, where a friend not give, now he blow a friend nash. Again, because of he want borrow money to do party, a friend not give her, now he blow that one nash, say they go do a shower for Jenny. The other one, what it cause problem for them, they carry nape, go native doctor place. The main where they, what it cause problem for them, I don't know. Still see now, even more and more, if the apple they go. Bro, hello bros, what it happen for that day? 50 euro. I'll give money, I wait 2 million. Oh, God, Marie, inject me, net day. So, what tell me, man, la wo balance it, I say, wage you gaga, wage you na me with the hot. Because no matter how hot, rich. Wait, stop. So, kakabo, my darling people, me, I not waste on that time, not too precious to me, I too love and I can't waste you guys' time. Message to kakabo of Italy. Nobody will not know kakabo. Everybody know. I don't need to describe her. Kakabo, since the time when they Facebook, she mind her business. She was doing charity. I felt talking right from time say that charity. He say na all he had into the doing. But me felt talking say if be they look money, if be they look for money for it. That's why today go carry person. Tomorrow he go carry person. He go to drop them. Today partner, tomorrow partner, next tomorrow partner. He go drop them. He don't fight with all the partnership where they inside that kakabo organization. He give a name where not the fit carry. Now me they talk, and not they give name where not the fit carry. No they give name where you know the fit carry. See me, I give myself shine your shine. I continue to shine my shine. You see? I still they shine my shine. He give a name together in God's family. Now lie, now to scatter in God's family. Now that thing be scatter. If you just want make your name not go, yo, may not put what you not do put for your body. Not go there, go say you want to do partnership. It's not good. I've said this thing time without number, and he go come and he go they attack me. Anya. It's not good. What did she constantly do again now? When she fed the Facebook, I know say na money on me. He say, you know, the makeup, you know, one shine, you know, this, you know, that. Okay, no, on me. Or like YouTube, as he enter YouTube, start to see YouTube, small money. He can't start to take care of himself. Good and fine. If you thought of them, they'll say you the jealousy. I don't know how person where they from, the jealousy, people where they pick crunches. I don't know. So, now again, you don't start with another system. That day, you attack person, say, if they give me money, they don't do you anything. Because you don't fair put them for your, to scatter in God's family. Because na so scatter, nobody enter there. We never scatter. As you at the end that definitely the one common now to scatter in God family, you go scatter their head. Who come your hand, come look for help. If you want go, you scatter your head. Together to scatter in God's family, no mukboni, change ni ema. Because you are to scatter in God's family. That's what you are good for. You know how to scatter. Where scatter human being. You just sit down for that. Whoa. Salobwa. If you see who better pass you, you will still say you better pass. I don't know why live video they do us like that. I bet why Gegi Uwaberio. When they don't sit down for this live video, the person will better pass them, they'll say they better pass. But before they go, their eye go open. Foul don't mess. Time don't go before they'll come say, yo, I'm a motomare, the time where you go, they tell, they say, people where they social media, they pass you. They sit down, watch you, no me say they be your mate. Yeah. Then still they worry, kakabo so. Eh? It's to scatter in God family, scattering everybody. You fair do that day, this lady, Jedosas, he give me money. Una, you scatter her. Why? Because she don't ever come close to yours, to scatter in God's family. Unisoni, you carry on that day, you scatter her. Why? Because she don't fair come to scatter in God's family. You carry another one now, Mama Iyobo. You scatter am. What way? Wetin do you? Wawa. If not be YouTube now you go poti ya le right. Atemio jemene. Thank God for YouTube. We can become wetin big people one can't work ire madan again. Abo tunima sige madan ya fe YouTube orizere gbiyan very yo atefia pada wane. Otunima sige madan yan bun we social media yan ya ware live video inwe yan do ajaye gbe manan gbe. Abo tunima sige madan we ni ya sige madan yan we yan gwegbe ni yan ga sidigin ogi siyan. Then if not be ugwe pots adana where take the cook for YouTube atemio jemene. Anything we kemi emetie da YouTube now we kemi o. If you see food for ground pick and come cook am. If you see any news where they throw away, if you like, you don't know who get am, you don't carry am. You know they give am before they carry am. Anything by thing where go fit put there. Anything ebo, he put am. He want baba he put am. He they want very soon if you want scrape it too all the mu job because me ya fe mo they to asige madan all the mu bola lo te we bona ugbe mi ya wi asige madan o si digen orige madan si ya digen o si ya manati ujo wa ya manati ujo de advantage and disadvantage of fige madan na anything o ma asige madan o ha giweje Nigeria everywhere na wata no I know they do something na ye be me mate o gwa we wo agwe down we ginya ya ni ma sige madan ni re a live video that one that day go home na this thing we see welcome to airport now we see picture we no see am say elect touch we do you get madan no ga dan when get last ka check up Madonna now where you then be your own. Not be this time, Sha. That time, they take do this thing. Thank God for Oba. We don't set the free. Since we are about to set the free, not be their eye can't open. Where YouTube money can they give them small. They feel kill. Mona be careful if you not get friends where they do YouTube. Mona be careful as soon as they follow they do friend though. They can when it comes to YouTube, they can kill for it. They can betray you. They can sell you. So tell their buyers go say you too cheap. YouTube money. Yeah, cool. Let's check up. Me go niya mievo. Me go niya wa mievo na. Iya eti kuo. Na I carry a friend. Go YouTube. Kakabo. A friend not do anything. A friend not do anything. He carry and go there. Why? Because he give me money. You understand? So it no good, kakabo. The way where you take go zanzan, mama iyobo, it no good. I know, say for you to listen and you still go again, you go do please, Monica team, go there and report that video because the lady did not do her anything. Her jealousy was just that they give Monica money. When person near your to scatter in God's family, you scatter them, all of them run away from you. Eunice not fair be your friend also. Eunice Oni was also giving you money. You carry her, you go stress, then you go scatter, then everybody likes stress. People where you don't know for social media will come to stress you. YouTube money go cost, you go see what YouTube money go cost very soon. Because now YouTube money, they make some people, they follow some people, they do friendship now. Because if they look for one show away, by the time they show way finish now, that person where they show you way to YouTube, so if you accept for YouTube more than her, as it show you way, then I say you go take color you come out, color you. Oh, we be na Monica we be. You understand? Let you say you not give the password though. You see friend, I trust in ya. You see friend, if they know say na this place you they see food they shop, because they be your friend, they don't know. Now they be the number one where they'll fair put bomb. Boom! They will bomb. You hear me so? Who get here made the year now? Una they do friend now because of YouTube. As soon as they go there, the moment you don't enter there, finish. Change your YouTube password though, not let them know. Otherwise, the day where they go give you 50 euro, you know, say you get influence. Maybe you can't get a country where you dey, women they work. You can't get your women now where you say, Mona dash me money that I can't dash you. She na no see who dash her. Or kwaje, or you worry where YouTube in here, deke wak bo where we marry nowhere. Le no, trust them not to. They are very, very dangerous. YouTube money is dangerous right now for our co-presenters. They can kill for it. They can betray each other for it. It's not good. Mrs. Kakabo, please leave Monica team alone. Stop being jealous. Stop it. Stop tearing them. Stop scattering their name. Mind your own business. See your friend, the way they mind their business. You know they see money. Why you know they feel mind your business? You just carry person, you say you see person for you. You start to cry. Why are you crying? As you cry, rich may they not buy hair. Any may now with you. Can't you see, darling? Stop it. It cannot want your wedge where you home and abroad. Because of madam money where you not pay, make you talk say you not go do anything for Nigeria. You not do. Abroad where you still dey. When I those zanze okobania, mi wo. And you still know say abroad where you dey, you know be your mates, if not be YouTube. Check her now. Our male looking, you will fit. You know how many times they go Nigeria a year for a business? When you there, they do a care to €2. Where's the kakabo? Where's the kakabo? Agari no mabe amari no awe aba. Ekuse magmon siere. Emane gbegele wa oho. Ana una they talk and pass. I know they used to I don't need YouTube money to take feed my family. What is the betrayer for? If not be YouTube money, where they want to shop, they want to shine. Waiting they can they betray each other for. What's the betrayal all about? It's YouTube money. To also take shine, to also take shop, feed family. Mona accept and made for follow now because like me, now they feed my family. Mona accept and for live video. Say now not they feed family. Somebody today still they do live video. They say I don't need YouTube money to feed my family. So shall it be for you in Jesus' name. emi nu wa you know eta ni o hin ase no wa se YouTube u ge make you wa ya pepe lo wa ami egbe o ge yan ta yan se YouTube ne ba na wi yan ba give una this one so if people show una way to YouTube after e don't show you way you don't enter that bed no give am password o agaku ainga gwi abe adete de keni asi esin wan yo asi wan yo dey use una dey hear na ibuderiere o this video na go I dey so not too long understand please Monica's team there is this video Kakabo did okay it's very bad this lady Kakabo cannot even try her in any ramification now this one na be the real Maro Ibo no be Kakabo where they use YouTube money also when you maybe YouTube money ya feed down bruise ere Kakabo everybody we get no say you YouTube money na Kakabo te dey feed the family everybody know just like mommy Monica also Kakabo but this mama where you they go they throw your smelly spit mat to sow YouTube money to exist. In short, she dey sponsor YouTubers. Do you understand? If not be YouTube money, since when you there with Oyibo, if he buy you hair, if he buy you cream, if he buy you makeup, so Mona they respect YouTube money. And those of you please go there and report this video. It's very thing. Kakabo na wa doa. Uwa gege wa bring down Ihwedo. Unisoni. She's a single mother. Yes, proud one. She not just ordinary be single mother. She's a widow. She took care of 3 children all by herself. Country where she did, nobody go fit or say na so she useless herself for anything. You carry her on social media, you disgrace her. Why, my sister? What way or my way just because origo ya ble igo get no winna. Why una they bully people like you now say na Monica they bully? Me, I never ever beat anybody because he give money to anybody. You go still use your mouth take talk. See all the way una play that day. What till you they cry for inside for? Monica want go do voodoo, come they get more money. We gonna see. Now you they carry anything carryable. Mommy no popo hey, bring it wedo down. Mama, your boy say where no name. Where no name. Way they support. Allah will down. No. For them to come up for your this thing because you are too lousy. Any little thing. Imagine you a primary school dropout. You want to lead. You want to lead somebody way no more than you. Hello, J. Okay. It's not good. It's not good at all. Stop bringing Edo women down. That's my message for Kakabo tonight. I not come for trouble. I know say na only trouble your blood. No. It's none of my business. Okay? And advice to you guys. You are making friends right now because of YouTube. Don't give anybody your password. They are dangerous. They are dangerous. Smooth operators. When it's time, they will deal with you and they will you say what is going on? You are dying. Be a mafia boss like Mommy Monica. Okay. Mafia boss go dey sleep for inside bed. You go carry gun, you want go meet am. And he dey sleep, oh. But before you know, now he go follow your back and give am to you. Bam! That's mafia boss Monica. You understand? If you know you are not smart, don't give them. Engala nego ni sangiro. Agaku. Aega gui. Wagia with Sister Felicia. Oh. Superstar. Tiba bona. Popo gare ne engala nego ni sangiro. Aga sopi the bone. Engala nego ni sangiro. Aga lele no fe wa na Ugama ya vae. Oga bebe krisan o na rote. Zopia. Mommy, what forgive kakabo. Esafia o feno. Yawe na gbena o be ladan we. On your pan. Ani egbe. Eje Nigeria. Ejiku. Enike na anamyo. Soku yoko wage no na ya dama le la. O me na se o me. O se yan kaki o yan egbe ko ware. Kakabo ni nu e ma. O ma nu e ko ware. O mo ye social media gbele kwa. Wow. Me we gbe nu wa una o. E ma ni me ko ware me gbiyan. Ile gbiyan awo a. Imo bi ra me re do gbe mo bi je me re do gbe. Na so ku idobo. Enga la nego ni sangiro. This is so unisoni. E me ba we ga no. Una gbe. Una valor bi bae. Na tenero egbejo egbe. Na nya o. Opa me ga yin. Abe kakabo na je mo e biyan abawo o ge gasi. Salo papa okian mu yin ma o re. Ose no bana o ge e gasi. Wapa me ga yin. Na yeke. Ga yin. Logi. Esu logi. Aga so pin the bo. Enga la go ni saire. Aga so pin the bo ga de fa gbare ne enga la me go ni saire. Enla ne wa me ga gbele kwa. O gbele. Agui mo na ye na. Gaku, gagagui, you believe in now. Gaga, Osubagbe. Ojikeke ayamoji, when not boss you very bad, we have a direct beam. Give me my say, la here. Apa my yahi. See what bona. The poor lady for Babylon, la nego ni sangire. Aga so the poor lady for Babylon, la nego ni sangire. No. Superstar. So my people, thank you so much. Have a wonderful Easter Sunday tomorrow. Wish you all this Easter celebration in good health. Show love to one another. If you know you have done anything wrong, okay, this is the time we should tell God, repent. Not this fake apology that you guys are demanding. Like me, if una say me, I give una apology. Fake one. In short, And me, I don't do fake. I cannot apologize outside. Why? I say, inside, now that time I will come start with operation. You know, come no say na me de me, mommy, Monica. And they go native doctor. My native doctor, where they do, juju where they do, not to do you good, even when you do me bad, so that the fire go they burn you. You not go know where they come from. You understand? So this is the time. If you know you have done anything wrong, don't go to human being and say forgive me. Middle finger for human being. That one where you want to say forgive me. You know the one where I do you. Especially for this social media. Neke enegi ya egbe wa te boni on a blocking ya open ya letiri fake account tire. Hey, come on for road. You will see where they carry my video. You go there, you go they comment rubbish. You go tell me sorry. Hey, leave my way. Let it they breathe that one. This is the right time, Monica's team. Okay? If you have done anything wrong, and you are really feeling remorse, this is the time to do it. Lay it tonight at the cross of Calvary. So that when he's resurrecting, he will resurrect with your new flesh, your new you. Do you understand? Go to your knee tonight and say, Lord, forgive me. It's only God you owe apology. Okay? But when you not respect, maybe you have friendship, maybe you have somebody, maybe you have someone you are high. That is respect. Okay? But not be say apology make your sin to go away. No, please, my people, let us preach gospel properly. Do you understand? Yeah, that apology is from AliExpress. It's from coronavirus. That apology. Now coronavirus, so they give you now. Who not give better pass? American, American, Arigbiwe, ne apologize ba ivo ya yevun ya atato boya o asenege gala ore ya patapata I not to agboro of man. But the truth of the matter, my people, Monica's thing, please, if there is anything you want to apologize somebody, please do it to God. God is the best person that can forgive you genuinely, and he will give you a new soul. He will renew you. Do you understand? Don't do AliExpress apology. Don't do coronavirus apology. Don't do apology because somebody said, I go give you money for you to fuck it. You understand? Please don't do it. That is friend with benefit. If they sour, it must go down. Friend with benefit must surely go down, no matter how long it is. That's fake love. They're not the last. That they make pash like electric wire later. You understand? Please, 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 please. Don't do it. Asking God for forgiveness is the best, my people. I'm telling Monica Lobo people. I don't know about other people. Now know where now go ask for an apology. Monica Lobo people, if anybody there for una family, for una friend, even for this social media, where you know say you do bad, tonight is the real time. Tell God about it. Say, God, renew my heart, renew me, that after tonight I will be a new person. Holy Spirit will begin to touch you and stay away from evil. Do you know that some people that do bad things, it's not their fault. It's because they don't have Holy Spirit that is in them. When you have Holy Spirit in you, it must first of all caution you. Say, hey, don't do this thing. I don't think some people have spiritual cautioning. They don't have spiritual cautioning. Otherwise, you understand? So, please, yes, Mommy Monica, aka the leader, this is my advice. This is my message for Easter. This tonight is the best night to lay it at the feet of Jesus Christ. Say, Lord, I am sorry for not appreciating you enough, for all the wrong I've been doing, for all the jealousy I've been doing. Because when you're jealous, you disappoint God. Meaning you are telling God that it's not good enough for the things he gives to you. Meanwhile, he endorses you. You understand? He endorses you so much. Mega, do you want to be blocked? Eh? Mega, you can be blocked and you live here. Because we don't need people like you guys anymore. We need normal people who have normal head. You can go to primary school, drop out. There are many primary school dropouts on social media. Kakabo is their child lady, and there are many. Okay, they dwell on trash. You understand? Things that are not important is what is fall flat for them. You understand me? We don't deal with that here. Okay. So, my people, if you know you offend anybody, go to God tonight. Tell Jesus to take it over and renew you. Don't go to human being. I'm telling you. After going to Jesus, when you are renewed, when you are refreshed, okay? Yes, so it's only God that can forgive sin. Not be even ordinary being will be sinner. All these social media people, they are all sinners. May God help us. May social media not carry us go fire. Because many people for social media, they are sinners and they will be looking for, come and give me apology. Love you all so much. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 2020. Bye. New friend Marshals. Be careful with your password. Be careful with your password. Be careful with your information. Be careful what you let people see and know. Be very, very careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. And be careful again and again. Thank you all so much. Bye.